Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a feature in Microsoft Edge that is perfect for anyone who struggles with too many open tabs, and it's called vertical tabs. If you are tired of losing your tabs or constantly switching between them, this feature is a lifesaver. So let's dive in. So what is vertical tabs? Vertical tab is a feature that moves your tabs from the top of the browser to a sidebar on the left. This makes it much easier to see and manage all your open tabs, especially if you are someone who works with a lot of them. So how to enable vertical tabs? So here is how to get started. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser and look for the vertical tab icon in the top left corner of the browser. It looks like a rectangle with a line on the left. Click it and your tabs will instantly move to the sidebar. With vertical tabs, you can see more tabs at once without them shrinking into tiny icons. Easily find what you are looking for by scrolling through the sidebars. Collapse the sidebar to save space when you don't need it. You can, for example, if you are working on a project and have more than 10 tabs open, you can quickly scan the sidebar to find the one you need instead of guessing which tiny tab it is at the top. So here is a pro tip. You can also pin frequently used tabs to the top of the sidebar. Just right click a tab and select pin. This keeps your most important tabs always within the reach. Another great tip is to use the organize tabs feature. With just one click, Edge will automatically group similar tabs together, saving your time and helping you stay on top of your workflow. And that's it. Vertical tabs in Microsoft Edge is a simple yet powerful way to tame the chaos of too many open tabs. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.